third kinematics example is again using the same displacement function, this time trying to find the instantaneous velocity. So because we're now applying the instantaneous velocity, we derive our displacement, which we know is our velocity. The derivative of this function is going to be equal to 2t plus 2, and we are substituting in the values of t equals 1, 2 and 3. So the instantaneous velocity at t equals 1 is going to be 2 plus 2 is 4, units will be meters per second. When we substitute 2 in, we would get 4 plus 2 is going to be 6 meters per second, and at t equals 3 we would get 6 plus 2 is 8 meters per second. So instantaneous velocity is simply the derivative of our displacement function, and it is instantaneous, so we can substitute in unique points of 1, 2 and 3.